Today, the movie Vuja has already hit the theatres all over Karnataka, and let us get into the box office reviews and the audience's votes for the same. Uja movie star cast includes Bharat, Shraddha Das, Gayatri Venkatgiri, Madhuri Tagi, Kadambari Jitwani, Avinash Shaiji Shinde as the main leads. The movie is produced by Mr. Vikram Raju under the banner of Vega Entertainment Private Limited, and the debutant director Raj Kumar has his first movie in Kannada, and it is supposed to be a horror thriller movie. Music composed by Harinikesh and cinematography by Ravi Kumar. Let us get into the storyline. Kshetra and Niharika Krishnaveni are three best friends who are software employees living in Malaysia. They're quite easygoing and enjoys their life to the fullest in their weekends and whenever they get time otherwise. On one such evening, they meet Balaraju, who is an aspiring actor struggling to get a chance to see himself on big screen. Since the girls are also interested in filmmaking and fed up with their regular schedules, they were impressed with Balaraju's enthusiasm. All of them got on well and decide to make a short film. They choose to do a horror film thinking that would quickly grab the attention of the audience. They've arranged for a couple of Vuja spirit communication device boards for the shoot, one of which happened to be spooky. On the other hand, the evil spirit of Maya, who died in an accident, deliberately troubling the four friends, and slowly that becomes a life threat for them during the film shoot. When they realized this is all happening because of Maya, what did they do to get rid of her? Were they able to do so? Why is Maya's spirit mad at the friends anyways? The story runs on this plot. Another proof that horror film does not need to be all screaming, running, sweaty and bloody. Even the evil spirit looks so sexy that you enjoy its wicked stuff even though it is making you sense your own heartbeat. To start with, three girls, Gayatri, Madhuri and Kadambari has pulled their roles effectively from starting till the end. Bharat, who is already a familiar face for Telugu audience, looks like checking his luck in Kannada film industry as well. He has done a good job as well. The story goes on like a roller coaster ride. Not too complicated but not predictable as well. With the help of exceptional graphical works and re-recording, you will feel the shadow of fear unknowingly many times. Popular actress Shraddha Das will be seen in a powerful yet daunting bad girl, and who portrayed Maya's character here. A well-known musician Raghu Kunche and Shaiji Shinde can be spotted in special characters in the film. Story is written and narrated gracefully and treated carefully with the debutant director Raj Kumar. Guess he is up for a long run here. Especially the evil communication board, we call it as Vuja board, is seen on screen after a really very long time. Kudos for his background work on it. Music director Harinikesh has compiled some fresh bunch of party songs for this season. Especially some tunes would keep haunting you along with the spirit even after the film. He is a debutant too, but the cinematographer isn't an infant in his field and you can sense it in every frame. He is brilliant in his own way. Producer Vikram Raju looks like burned his pockets well for the film, but with no regrets, he has bagged a super cool horror film that shows each and every penny on screen, and hopefully soon that will be seen back into his pockets as well. You will come out with spine-chilling experience and no doubt about it. Go ahead and watch it with your family this weekend and enjoy the Uja game.
Let's stop the game, Aja. Let's roll the game, Uja. It's dangerous, Aja. It's dangerous, Uja. Let's stop the game, Aja.